Welcome to the Cook for Your Life YouTube channel, excuse me. Anyway, today I'm going to be making a really yummy pizza that is using, we're going to be basically using some naan bread, which is whole wheat, some ricotta, which I'm going to flavor with some lemon and some oil. We're going to have some zucchini, which is kind of great, really thinly sliced, and also a little bit of spinach. Okay, so this I'm using the naan bread instead of regular pizza dough. Now, if you're using regular pizza dough, you should put a disc in the oven and just bake it until it's almost set, and then start to do what I'm doing now. It's one of the reasons I like working with pita breads and naans, is that you miss a whole step. So I'm going to mix the lemon with the ricotta. Also some olive oil. Ricotta, for all its creaminess, isn't so fatty. Alright. Just going to get a pinch of salt for that too. Okay. Now, whenever I make these kinds of pizzas, I always put them on top of parchment paper, because that way it makes the cleanup super easy, and also makes them very easy to lift up and down. I'm going to spread on. This pizza, by the way, is very light, and if you are on a bland or a low fiber diet, you could even, this is a good time to use maybe the regular white flour naan, which has less fiber, which sometimes can be kind of on the tummy. Okay, I've got a few, this is all baby spinach. I'm just going to, don't need much of it really, just took a few leaves, the tough stalks, and just shred it a little bit. That's just going to go to absolutely nothing. Put on the zucchini. I'm going to drizzle a little bit of the remaining oil over the top of that. At least I'm going to scatter this with some pine nuts. Now, pine nuts are one of the foundations of pesto. They're very, very fatty. And you know, they're also quite pricey. So if you want to use slivered almonds instead, which are a little less pricey, then by all means go for it. So this is a really simple, almost a white pizza. So I'm just going to put this under the broiler, but on a very low shelf under the broiler. And as soon as it's all cooked, you know, looks all brown and bubbly, it's ready to eat.